What are you doing?
She's watching the dogs.
Watching the dog show.
Do you want that dog? It's too big. The table is beautiful.
Getting the meat out of this gizzard. You can see it has the skin around it. You don't want to.
That's the heart, right?
This is a gizzard. A lot of people that love gizzards.
But if if eating the gizzard's supposed to make you pretty, you've eaten a lot of gizzards and you're pretty.
Yeah.
Now that's what I struggle with, is getting meat off the neck. That's a big neck.
Turkey's a pretty good sized bird.
You have a chair behind you. You could sit.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to move to it too.
So is everything in there now?
Yep, everything's in there. I probably could use some cornstarch in there too, because it's not thickening up.
It won't thicken up when it cools off a little bit, or no? Okay.
Yes, if you want to get some ice. What are you? Get out of my face! No, I'm teasing.
I'm not in your face.
He's just mad.
I'm in the turkey.
Mad at all.
Don't mistreat the turkey.
I'm not.
Yeah, Mom.
The turkey is being treated very kindly.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Okay, Jamie. Come eat it. You want a chicken turkey leg? They sell these. Hey, we could go sell these. They sell them for like $15 at Walt Disney World.
I sent you all my selfies that I accidentally took. Sent her photos like that.
And so I sent her back and I went, I don't know what you're talking about. I love this picture. Of my sister and me.
Yeah, post it.
That I took of you is your favorite
No,
photo.
ma'am.
Aw,
No.
thank you.
Here, let's do a selfie.
If you did a 2.5, I will actually come into
Come on,
the room
Janeway.
and in your sleep I'll take a 0.5 with you.
Come on. Bruh, I'm trying, bruh. Come on, bruh. Here we go, bruh.
None of us could have did it.
Nope. Oh no, yeah, not to you. We're just talking about. There we go. Woo! Very
I love
well.
that sound.
Very nice sound. Okay, Rhonda, what do you want us to do our toast out of? Do you want us to do our toast out of our red
I guess, yeah.
We'll just pass
I
the.
have.
What if we pass the bottle around?
I think that would be. I mean, I have little glasses.
Okay.
And I even have some more wine glasses.
Oh, those would be nice.
You're ready, Jane.